Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will learn B section of fourth lesson. Al-Baytu. Al-Baytu means home. Min al-Bayti means from home. Min, this is from harfe jar. It is harfe jar, and when it's come on noun, it's give kasra or zair. Al-Masjidu, masjid. Ila al-masjidi, to the masjid. Ila also harfe jar. When it's come on the noun, it gives zair or jar. Al-Mudarrisu, min ayna anta, from where are you? Muhammadun, ana min al-Yabani, I am from Japan. Al-Mudarrisu, wa min ayna Ammarun, from where is the Ammar? Muhammadun huwa min as-Sini, he is from China. Al-Mudarrisu wa min ayna Hamidun, from where Hamid? Muhammad huwa min al-Hindi, he is from India. Al-Mudarrisu ayna Abbasun, where is the Abbas? Muhammadun kharaja, he left. Al-Mudarrisu ayna dhahaba, where he went? Muhammad dhahaba ilal mudir, he went to the principal. Al-Mudarrisu wa ayna dhahaba Ali, where Ali went? Where Ali went? Muhammad dhahaba ilal mirah, he went to toilet. Tamarin, exercise. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiya, answer the following question. Min ayna anta, ana min al Hindi, from where are you? I am from India. Anta min al Philippines, are you from Philippines? La, ana min al Pakistan, no, I am from Pakistan. Man min al Sin, who is from China? Abdullah min al Sin, Abdullah is from China. Min ayna Hamidun, Hamidun min al Hindi, Hamid from India. Ayna dhahaba Abbas, where the Abbas went? Abbas dhahaba ilal mudiri, he went to the principal. Adhaba Aliyun ilal mudir, is Ali went to the principal? No. Abbas dhahaba ilal mudir, Abbas went to the principal. Ikra waqtu ma adhabti awakir al kalimat, read and write down with the pronouncing last word. Al-ghurfatu, min al-ghurfati, min is harfe jar, so it's give jar or zair. Min al-hammami, from the bathroom. Al-mirhadu, toilet, lavatory. Ila al-mirhazi, to the toilet. Al-yabanu, Japan. Al-Filipino, Philippine. Min al-Hindi, from the India. Ila al-Sini, to the China. So min and ila both are harfe jar. So we learn fi, ala, min, ila, 4 are harfe jar. These words are harfe jar and it's give kasra to its noun. Ikra waqtu, read and write down. Min ayna Fatimatu, from where Fatima? Hiya min al Hindi, she is from India. Kharajal mudarrisu min al fasli wa dhahaba ila al mudir, Mudarris left the classroom and went to the principal. ذهب التاجر إلى الدكان, the businessman went to the shop. خرج حامد من الغرفة وذهب إلى الحمام, Hamid left the room and went to the bathroom. من خرج من الفصل, who left the class? خرج المدرس من الفصل, teacher left the class. خرج الطالب من المدرسة وذهب إلى السوق, the student left the madrasa, school, and went to the market. Khadija min al-Sini wa Khalid min al-Yaban, Khadija is from China and Khalid from Japan. Fourth, ضع في الفراغ فيما يلي حرف جر مناسبا, right now fill in the blank with the suitable حرف جر. من, إلى, في, على. الكتاب على المكتب, the book on the table. الطالب في الفصل, the student in the classroom. ذهب حامد إلى الجامعة, Hamid went to the university. خرج المدير من المدرسة, principal left the school. or he goes out. ذهب محمد, Muhammad went إلى الصين. ذهب محمد إلى الصين. ذهب محمد من الصين إلى اليابان. Muhammad went from China to Japan. الكلمات الجديدة new words. المدرسة school. الفصل classroom. الحمام bathroom. المرحاض toilet. المطبخ kitchen. الغرفة room. الجامعة university. السوق market. اليابان Japan. الصين China. الهند India. الفلبين المدير principal. ذهب went خرج left. في على من إلى. These are 4 حروف جر. This word's called in Arabic حروف الجر. When it's comes they give kasra or jar or zer you can say to its noun. So we have finished lesson number 4. In next video inshallah we will take lesson number 5. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.